Hi, I'm Luki, career coach from Focus Inspired. In today's video, we'll be sharing 5 tips to help you continue a conversation on LinkedIn. If you've been following me, you'll know that I recommend networking to help you with your job search and overall career success. You've connected with folks on LinkedIn, then they accepted. Now what? Well, here are some tips on continuing the conversation. Follow your curiosity and interest. Why did you want to connect with this person in the first place? You'll probably say, so they can get me a job. Well, think back to the answer to every how to network question. Care. How do you care for them? Curiosity and interest are good ways to start to care. Other than their current role, what makes them interesting as a person? Did they go to the same school? Do they have common interests? Did they take a certification that you're interested in? Are they involved in a not-for-profit that you'd want to know about? Did they write or share a post that you appreciated? Connecting on some common interests is one of the easiest ways to continue the conversation. Ask questions. A question necessitates a response. A statement does not. When some people look to carry on a conversation, they leave statements. Thanks for connecting. It would be nice if we could have a coffee chat in the future. I hope you're having a good day. Well, what would be your response to that statement? First of all, you don't necessarily even need to respond to a statement. And if you did, your response might be, okay, or sounds good. Instead, how about, thanks for connecting. Would you be available for a coffee chat in the coming weeks? The answer could be no, but at least you get a response. Also, consider using open-ended questions versus questions that expect a yes-no response. Pay attention and continue your curiosity. You might go onto Google and get a list of common questions to ask, though at some point you'll run out of questions. If you want to make sure you never run out of questions, pay attention and follow your curiosity. Based on what they just said, what else would you like to know? A good strategy to build a relationship is to go for emotions. You can ask questions like, how did it feel like to go through that experience? Or what were you most excited about at the time? Then for that response, add a bit of information, since you don't want it to turn into an interrogation, and then follow your curiosity about what they just said then. Then keep going. One of your template starter questions could turn into an infinite number of questions as follow-up if you take some time to pay attention and follow your curiosity. If you're enjoying this video and find value from them, give it a like for the algorithm and share this video with a friend. Comment down below with your challenges in your job search, career, and life. Now let's continue with the rest of the video. Add some conversation threads. If you've engaged with someone and they reply with one word or very short answers, you'll likely find it hard to continue the conversation. To contribute to your side of the conversation, add some threads. Threads are additional pieces of information that other people can pull on to continue the conversation. If someone were to ask me, where are you from? I could answer, Indonesia. Well, the other person doesn't have much to work with. Or I could answer, Indonesia. I was born in the capital city, Jakarta, and I moved to Toronto when I was young, so I don't remember too much. Though I did visit when I was about 10 years old and plan to visit again next year. How many threads could they respond to? They could ask about your vacation plans next year, or the visit when you were 10, or the experience moving to Toronto. By adding threads into the conversation, the other person will find it easier to continue the conversation, and you'll find it easier as well. Reflect, improve, and add value. Take some time at the end of your day or the week and take a look at the conversations you had. Go into the message history for this month or this week, and based on some of the other guidance, you can ask yourself, what did you do well or what could you do better? How did you show that you cared for the person in the previous message exchanges? Go back and ask about something else you'd like to know about them. How could you show you've cared in future messages as well? Could you add value based on something they've previously mentioned? Just a small improvement each time can lead to exponential growth over time. As a bonus tip, remember 2 phrases, and how about you? And that's interesting, tell me more. This video was brought to you by the Focus Inspired Academy. If you're looking for support in your job search or career, join us for e-learning content, weekly virtual group coaching, text access to our coaches in between sessions, and future apps and community to help you in your job search and career success. Click the link in the description box below for a free 1-month trial for supporting the channel. Thanks for watching today's video. Remember to share this video with a friend and hit the like button. It would be much appreciated. Let me know if you have any questions or what you're struggling with in your job search or career, and feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on jobs, careers, and life. And YouTube recommends that you check out these videos next.